Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to create a business WordPress website in just few easy steps. In today's video, we will be showing you how to create a stunning website for your business using the Responsive Starter Templates plugin. So before we begin, let's quickly introduce the plugin. Responsive Starter Templates is a powerful WordPress plugin that offers over 100 pre-designed website templates that can be easily imported to your website. These templates are built using both Elementor and Gutenberg, ensuring flexibility and ease of use. The best part? The plugin is easy to use, even for beginners. So let's get started. Step 1 is installing the Responsive Starter Templates plugin. The first step is to install and activate the Responsive Starter Templates plugin. You can do this by going to the Plugins section on your WordPress dashboard and then search for Responsive Starter Templates and click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Activate. Great! Now that we have installed the plugin, let's move on to the next step, which is importing a starter template. So to import a template, simply go to the Responsive Templates and you will see a variety of pre-designed templates that are categorized based on the type of business you have. For this video, we'll be choosing the Corporate Business template. Click on the template and then click on the Import Site button. The plugin will start importing the template to your website. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the template. Once the import is complete, click on the Launch Site button and you will be redirected to the page where you can customize the template. Now that we have imported the template, let's customize it. So, which brings us to step 4, which is customizing your website. To customize the template, you will use the Elementor or Gutenberg editor, depending on the type of template you imported. Elementor is a drag and drop page builder that allows you to customize the template easily, while Gutenberg is the WordPress editor that offers similar customization options. The template that we've imported is built on Elementor. To customize your imported template, just click on the Edit with Elementor button at the top, and this will take you to the editing section of Elementor, where you can change absolutely every aspect and element of your template, right from texts to images, icons, logos, buttons, everything. So let me quickly show you how to do that. Once your page has been loaded, identify all the elements that you want to change. Now, in this case, I want to change the text here. So as you can see, this text reads, "We match your unique business needs." So when I click on it, this opens a window on the left-hand side of my screen where you can read the text. So I'm going to replace this text to, "We help your business grow." There. Now let's say that we want to change the text on this button. So I want to replace "Get Started" to "Contact Us." Now, let's change the video here. So to do so, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on the icon that looks like a pen, which will again open a left-hand side window. And here you can copy paste the link of the video that you want to be seen. So I already have my link copied. Now I'm going to paste it. And there. Now if you notice, the image of the video has not changed, but when I click on it, it's the video that I want to show. So in this case, I'm going to click on the pen button again, and there's an option of image overlay. I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to turn off the image overlay. That's it. Now you can see the thumbnail of my video. Here's how you change the video in your template. And now the most important things of all, your social accounts. So if you want to plug in or include your social accounts into your template, you can see that there are icons for that. You can either put it in your footer or your header. It's all up to you. So to do that, just click on the icons and you can put in your Twitter account. You can put in the link of your Twitter account, your Facebook account, your Instagram account, and all of the socials that you have. And this will be displayed as links in your footer or your header, and people will be able to visit you on your social accounts. So that's it. When you're happy with the changes that you've made to your template, just click on the update button on the left bottom. And once the page is updated, you can preview all the changes that you've made to your template. To do so, just click on the I button, which reads Preview Changes. When you do that, this will open a new window where you can preview all of the changes that you've made. So as you can see, we changed the text. We help you business grow. We changed the text in the button. We also changed the video, and we learned how to put in our socials. So yeah, that's about it. Happy editing. As you can see, the Responsive Starter Templates plugin is a powerful tool that can help you create a stunning website for your business in no time. With over 100 templates to choose from, the plugin makes the process of creating a website easy and stress-free. So if you're looking to create a professional business website, I highly recommend you try the Responsive Starter Templates plugin. Thank you so much for watching our tutorial on how to create a business WordPress website in just few easy steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such tutorials. Until next time, stay safe, be happy. Thank you.